Friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to promote Spotify for creators. You click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page, you search about Spotify for creators, and you click here in this page. In this window of app and follow, you click on first stop and you click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then here we click on clear cache. Then you turn on your airplane mode and you turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.